are we doing, Jay?
I'm going to cut off my hair.
How much?
15 inches.
And what are you going to do with it?
I'm going to donate it to Locks of Love.
Do it. You're half.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is when you're supposed to say, Mom, that's too much.
What have I done?
What have I done? Okay,
Let me see it, Jay.
when you turn yours in, turn in Nick's too. Oh my gosh.
It's cute.
It is cute. Whoa,
Oh, no.
that's so weird. Oh no? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Did Grandma scalp him?
Let's see him.
Scalped him, huh?
Whoa.
Oh, that's a lot of hair.
Some little redheaded cancer patient's going to be happy.
Oh my gosh. I mean, that's like...
Ta-da!
Oh my, look at that ponytail.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! What? We're not putting nothing in the garbage. No, don't throw that away.